takedown. Uh-oh. We got one taking drag. This is a good one. This is a good one, y'all. This is a good one. Woo! Let's go. Hopefully we get a sweet doggy with this one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This definitely a sweet doggy. Uh-oh. We got another fish on, guys. Let me get this fish. Oh, man, it's a fire bite. Let's go. All the rods out the water. Fish on, fish on. Woo! Woo! This kayak catfish had giving me good luck. We got a $5 boom. Appreciate you guys. 140 people already in the house. 69 thumbs up. Guess them weights. So I'm about to weigh them.